China has just unveiled a brand new line of $2,000 female robots, and they are stunningly real. With hyper-realistic features, smooth skin, and lifelike expressions, these humanoids are blurring the line between robotics and reality. From personal companionship to customer service roles, their capabilities will leave you speechless. As we investigate robotics' most shocking awakening, prepare to doubt reality. A 66N, the latest lifelike robot doll, is here. Japanese brand White Rabbit Doll, known for creativity and quality, brings you this. The specialized constructor creates high-quality silicon robots using cutting-edge technology that mimics the human body in appearance and sensation. The corporation boldly boasts that its superior artificial intelligence systems and lifelike robots can replace people in personal and companion relationships. The A66N model is a lifelike robotic head designed for easy integration to full-sized robotic bodies to create a humanoid companion. The product is professionally manufactured from high-quality soft silicon materials and feels like real skin when touched. A sophisticated multi-layer painting technique creates a realistic visual impression of skin pores, veins, skin color variations, and other minute micro details that lend authenticity. The brand website lists competing robotic heads of comparable design for $500 to $1,500, depending on intricacy and customization. Beijing firm Noetix Robotics introduced Xiao, a biomimetic android and one of the most advanced humanoid robotic systems. Through strategically positioned actuators, adaptive environmental sensors, and complex control software systems, the 32-degree articulated machine mimics human facial emotions and body movements. Xiao can have natural conversations with humans, recognize emotions, and reply correctly depending on body language and speech tones. Tour guide, education companion, healthcare assistants, and client-facing sectors can adopt Android because of its versatility. Adjustable cosmetics can change Xiao's appearance, and adaptive feedback systems vary its behavior based on application needs and environmental situation. Most organizations that want advanced humanoid robotics can afford the base version for $5,625. The WMD Doll, one of the largest robotic doll producers in the country, has started incorporating artificial intelligence technology into its robots to improve user experience and sales. A generic movie showed the company's superior production process and AI integration with robotic models. With massive language models and advanced neural networks, robots can have deep conversations with users, recall topics with incredible accuracy, and reply intelligently based on user preferences and habits. User-defined, carefully crafted personas for their robotic doll, such as gentle, vivacious, clever, playful, or mysterious, can be used with a complementary, personalized session. The robots have soft skin-like consistency, natural blinking rates, progressive facial expressions, and adaptive body language movements, making them extraordinarily realistic to touch and interact with. Strategic implementation of the technology and artificial intelligence will deepen robot user emotional links and provide more intimate companion ID experience. RZR Doll, a premium brand of hyper-realistic silicon robot dolls, is known for its high-quality dolls and industry-leading technologies. The R-Series' excellent features and engineering have made robot dolls for personal and artistic use popular worldwide. The R-Series uses sophisticated materials to be aesthetically pleasing and durable for repeated handling and applications. Premium platinum silicon, which mimics human skin's feel and tenderness, gives the dolls the closest sensation to reality. The R-Series has 163 and 168 cm dolls with increased flexibility, realism, and articulation with joints, movable jaws, and realistic anatomical features, making them wonderful additions to collections. The R-Series of dolls, which range in price from $3,700 to $55,000 depending on specs and extras, are affordable for serious collectors of robotic artistry. WR Doll Company is known for their White Rabbit silicon robot dolls, which look like humans. With their impressively realistic features and attention to detail, the robotic dolls are gaining popularity. While designed for visual accuracy, the dolls are also made for collectors and interactive users who want high-quality things. Soft silicone faces on robot dolls enhance the sensory experience by adding flexibility and realism to skin sensation. This material's skin feels soft on the fingertips and mimics real skin, giving users the feeling of touching real skin. The dolls' mouths open and close, adding realism to their interaction. Each of the robot's dolls has a unique and captivating appearance thanks to professional artists' hand-applied lipstick, highlights, face contours, and more. Using great craftsmanship and modern technology, Eva Artificial Intelligence makes lifelike silicon robot dolls that stand out from the competition. Eva dolls have unique qualities that are nearly inconceivable from humans, making them popular with collectors and fans who want fine items. The items look and feel like human skin thanks to platinum silicon, which is soft and accurately matches human skin's appearance and feel. The versions come in 162 and 172 cm sizes, providing many of possibilities for personal use or display in different settings. Each doll's sculptured fingertips and toes bring it closer to real people. The doll's value between $2,000 and $2,500 balances price with top manufacturing standards for value for money, making them desirable for collectors who appreciate premium production. The Japanese have constructed amazing robotic dinosaurs using cutting-edge animatronic technology and engineering. OnArt Corporation has created a unique collection of remote-controllable animatronic dinosaurs with lifelike appearances and amazing interactive abilities that surprise audiences worldwide. Scientifically accurate and meticulously made robotic versions of iconic prehistoric dinosaurs like the Tyrannosaurus rex, raptors, and Allosaurus are in the astounding range. The models are made of lightweight yet durable carbon materials and have realistic measurements and anatomical proportions based on dinosaur skeletal fossils and paleontological investigations. At 7.9 meters, the tallest models amaze and impress viewers with their stature. These mechanical dinosaurs have amazing robotics and interactive abilities. During live demonstrations, one of the dinosaurs forcibly grabbed one of the company's reps' upper region and devoured him, replicating genuine hunting behavior. America is battling with China to produce the most advanced robots. American company Dexmate AI recently introduced Vega, its new bot. Advanced manipulators on Vega make complex tasks easy, allowing for precision and brute strength. Its collapsible torso and arm structure make it ideal for industrial applications due to its flexibility and responsiveness in changing working settings. The robot's innovative architecture makes switching operating modes straightforward, maximizing performance in numerous settings. Vega's physical strength and precision can benefit logistics and production units. Pre-ordering the Vega bot for $89,999 is feasible for firms that need advanced automation. Only complex manipulation processes are handled by Vega. American robotics company Dexmate AI designs cutting-edge robotic systems with excellent manipulation capabilities. At GTC 2025, NVIDIA introduced Blue, an anthropomorphic robot made in conjunction with Disney Research and Google DeepMind. Blue resembles Star Wars droids but has better object interaction and emotional expressions. Blue's revolutionary functionality relies on NVIDIA's new OpenAI model Isaac GR00T N1, designed to accelerate next-generation robotic humanoids. The enhanced model's dual system design mimics human cognition and choice-making. System 1, the robot's reflex response mechanism, processes quick, intuitive replies based on human instincts and environmental data. System 2 allows deliberate deductive thinking, allowing the bot to analyze its environment, process complex information, and plan its next steps precisely. At the anticipated conference presentation, Blue's improved capabilities was demonstrated by its smooth stage mobility and productive conversations with NVIDIA's CEO Jensen Huang. These new $2,000 female robots are not just machines, they're a glimpse into the future. As China leads the charge in affordable, lifelike robotics, the rest of the world is racing to catch up. Would you ever buy one? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more unbelievable tech updates.